In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods on OnlyFans. So in order to do that, open your OnlyFans application or open a web browser and type in onlyfans.com and log into your onlyfans.com account. After you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the bottom right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on your cards. Now, you can go ahead and add a payment information on the next page. To add payment method on OnlyFans, you can use credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, gift cards, prepaid cards, mobile wallets such as Google Play, Samsung Pay, and Apple Pay. Simply go ahead and tap on Add a Payment Card button and then enter your billing details. Select your country from the drop-down, enter your state or your province, enter your street details, the name of your city, zip code or postal code. After filling in all of your address information, under card details, type in the name on the card. On the next field, enter your card number that is available on your card. After you are done, go to the expiration tab and enter the expiry date for your card and then enter the CVC code or CVV code. Finally, after filling in all of the details, you'll need to tick this little circle to confirm that you are at least 18 years of old, and after you are done with it, tap on submit at the bottom right. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to add a payment method on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.